This is Taj English Academy. I am your lecturer, presenter, speaker, Dr. Taj Firdousi. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, in my last lecture, I gave you the homework and today we are going to check your answers. I am going to write it there and then we'll see whether you're right or wrong. The first one, I will start with stable. Look at what's given there. Stable. Stay is one, bowl. Calculation. How many syllables did you write? 4. Calculation. There are 4 syllables in calculation. Let's go to the next one. Education. Again, education has E is 1, education 4, education 4 syllables. Stay, not stay. It's only one syllable. You have to say stay. One beat, stay. Magnify. How many syllables did you write in? 3. Magnify. Magnify. The next one is hit. One hit. Finished. Qualify. Qualify. 3. Intentional. Intentional. Electrify. Remember, this is something very important. A is E. E is 1. Electrify. 4 syllables. Regulation. Regulation. Rules. 1. Rules. So you fight with these syllables and the division of these syllables. Why are they very important? What's the role? Which I am going to explain to you in my next lecture. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. And watch English Academy to know more and more and perfect your English language for a higher level. Hopefully, I will start even giving lectures to the basic levels also. I will have that one later on. We will proceed with. That's for the people who are still in schools. And this is for the people who are graduates and postgraduates. These syllables are useful in your phonetics, sounds, study of sounds in these syllables. It helps even in writing, spelling. How? It's in my next lecture. Bye, take care.